Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. In today's video we are going to crochet this lovely fridge magnet in shape of a carrot. This is a very easy project. I bet you will enjoy having this lovely and cute fridge magnet in your kitchen. For this project you will need a 2.5 crochet hook, scissors for cutting yarn and magnet. Also, you need some magnet for attaching to the crochet piece and a hot glue gun. Also, you need 2 colors of yarn. Before we get started, I would like to show you my YouTube channel in just 30 seconds. This is my channel where I post videos on crochet projects, crafting, and more. Remember, if you like what you see and want to stay updated on my new videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications. Thank you for your support. Let's get started. First of all, we have to make a slip knot. Next, we need to make some chain stitches. Chain 12. After 12 chain stitches, skip the first 2 stitches and work 1 double crochet in the 3rd stitch. This would be the first double crochet. Then in the same stitch work 2 more double crochets. So this would be the 2nd double crochet in this stitch, and this would be the 3rd one. After 3 double crochet, in the next stitch, again work a double crochet. Just 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and again 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and again 1 double crochet in the next stitch. In total, you will have 3 double crochets in the next 3 stitches. Then, after these double crochets, work 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. Again, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. After 2 half double crochets, work 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and again 1 single crochet in the next stitch. After these 2 single crochets, we need to work a slip stitch. The first part of the carrot is completed. Next, we have to work in the opposite side of the carrot. First of all, find the stitch that you made the slip stitch in the previous step. So as you see, I am trying to find the stitch that I previously worked a slip stitch inside of it. This is the one. Work a slip stitch inside of it. Next, in the next stitch, work 1 single crochet, and again in the next stitch work 1 single crochet. We will have 2 half double crochets in next 2 stitches. The first one and the second half double crochet in the next stitch. In next 3 stitches you will have 3 double crochets, so work 1 double crochet in each stitch, the first double crochet, the second one in the next stitch, and again in the next stitch 1 double crochet. At the end, in the next stitch, work 3 double crochets, so you will have 3 double crochets in the same stitch. This is the third one. Crocheting the body of the carrot is completed. Next, we are going to crochet the leaves. For the leaves, start with changing the color. So bring the green yarn. Instead of using the orange yarn, use the green yarn and change the color. Next, chain 5. And then work a slip stitch in the root of the first chain stitch. After that, use a slip stitch to attach the first and the last double crochet of the body of the carrot. This is the first double crochet of the previous row, and this would be a slip stitch. Next, chain 6. And work a slip stitch in the root of the first chain stitch. Repeat this again and chain 6. After that, a slip stitch in the root of the first chain stitch. Crocheting the carrot is now completed. Next, we need to use the magnet to complete the crochet project, and also we have to hide these unwanted and little yarn ends. Since we don't crochet anymore, we can cut the yarn. We need to bring back this little green yarn using our crochet hook. Now we need to secure the crochet piece and also cutting the yarn ends. Before cutting them, I myself tie them together. Now you can cut them, but I myself choose a better way. I actually want to use the magnet and the glue gun to secure these yarn ends. So cut the magnet inside of the crochet piece. Use the hot glue gun and attach the magnet to the crochet piece. Make sure the magnet, the yarn ends, and the crochet piece are attached together tightly. Now that the yarn ends are secured, cut them. After that, you will have a really neat crochet piece. And that's it. Your crochet fridge magnet is all done. I hope you enjoyed making it as much as I did. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more cute and fun crochet projects. Let me know in the comments if you tried this pattern or if there's something else you would like me to make next. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting!